everyone, I am Kat. Welcome back to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a no makeup look. It is one of my favorite makeup looks to do, especially if I'm kind of running out of time, or maybe I don't really want a whole bunch of makeup caked on my face. This is nice and light, it's simple, it's easy, it's natural. So if you'd like to see how I accomplish my no makeup look, then stick around with me and keep watching. And if you do enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's go ahead and get right into this no makeup look. There we go. Now off camera, I already went ahead and cleansed my face, and I used my Serious Skin right to here, and it is a acne medication for problematic skin. I got that. Once I finish cleansing my face, I like to put on a little facial spray. This is the Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rosewater. This is another product that I added to my daily face regimen, and it is from Skintasy. It is their face cream. I love this stuff. I also use their bamboo scrub as well. I don't use that as often, but I use the face cream every single day. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this on all over my face. Okay. I'm gonna quickly prime my eyes, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I am in light medium honey. For this no makeup look, I'm using my Sugarpill palette that I created. All the colors, I love Sugarpill because you get to pick out all the colors and create your own palette. And this is the one that I created. As you can see, I've been loving the green. The first color I'm going to be using is Heart Shape Cookie. Putting this all over the lid, a little under the eye since I did get some of the Shape Tape under there as well. So just kind of setting all of this. This next color is called Text Me, and I'm going to be placing this into my crease all the way to the inner and outer corner. With a more detailed blending brush, I'm going to go into Castle on the Hill, and I'm going to place this color into my outer third. Different brush, but same color. I'm going to place this right in the outer third of my lash line. So that is it for the shadows. Now I'm going to go ahead and move to my face. I'm going to tap this all over my problem areas. This is the Skin Clearing Blemish Concealer from Neutrogena, and it also has micro clear technology. So I'm just going to dab this all over my problem areas, any red spots, and then blend it out with my fingers. Once I have accomplished that, it's all nice and blended out, I'm then going to pick up, also from Neutrogena, this is their Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector. Place that under my eyes, and once again, blend out with my fingers. With a large powder brush, I'm going to use Neutrogena's Skin Clearing Mineral Powder to set my face. Blush. I'm going to use, I love this is from e.l.f. It is Mellow Mauve blush. It's like my favorite blush. I've used this for a very long time. Once that's done, I'm going to go to my brows. Now, brows, I feel like my brows take the longest. Here we go. To make these brows appear on my face, I have to go ahead and use what I like to call the triple threat. And these are all Anastasia Beverly Hills products. And the first one I'm using here is the Brow Wiz in Soft Brown. So I like to start from the inner portion of my brow, work my way to the under arch, the above arch, and into the tail. Once that's done, I will pick up the Brow Powder Duo. This is in dark brown, and then just fill in any of the sparse places. So I start with the light color on the inner portion, and then I use the dark, and sometimes mix it with the light color to fill in the rest. Done. Oh wait, almost done. Brow gel. Tinted brow gel because I have to. Now I'm done. I'm gonna pick up some eyeliner, and I'm doing just a very nice tiny line to my lash line, and I'm lifting it just slightly on the outer third here, and I'm not pulling it out like a wing at all, just stopping it where my eye starts. I just kind of lift it. Now look at that. Oh hey, all right. Oh hey, all right. Okay, so just a little bit, Does a lot of magic. Here I'm just slapping on a nice coat of mascara for the top and bottom lashes. Now quickly, I'm gonna go ahead and spritz some setting spray on. This is the Maybelline Master Fix. Whew, once that's on and dry, I'm gonna hit some sweet spots with some of the Amrezy highlighter from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I just use my finger, so I'm gonna put some of this in the inner corners, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on the bridge of my nose, my tip of my nose. This is another place that I just have to jazz up. Sexy, sexy time, Cupid's bow. What? Yeah, I have to. Okay, I'm done. And then I'm going to do a little bit of my cheekbones. Nothing crazy. All right, almost done. 2 more steps. I like to go back real quick, whatever powder I used for the day. Woo. And I just go right in the T-zone here. Now avoid the nose because it has Amrezy all over it. Hey. And then chin. Lips. I'm going to use also from Neutrogena. This is one of their Moisture Smooth Color Sticks, and it is in nude pink. Lastly, I'm going to finish the refresh with a nice diffuse and hair pick, and voila, volume and pop and curls. Ooh, and for my curl friends, I will put in the description box below the details of my refresh. And this is it, everyone. My nice no makeup look. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope you come and join me next Monday for another video. Take care. Behave. Because they got all these new colors. Oh my god. Oh god, Sugarpill, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to my husband? You don't want this side to be left out, so here we go. Oh yes. Oh yes. What's up, poppin' curls? Yes.